and baking soda. Now, I don't think this is gonna work. But what's supposed to happen is it's supposed to be a reaction where it starts to film up with a whole bunch of stuff.
But Hunter, we're all idiots, so Hunter, go ahead. White vinegar, as you can see.
Fuck, it's disgusting.
Alright, ready?
It's not going to do it. It's not going to do it. I don't think it's going to. Nope, it did.
What? Damn, put it down.
It did. It worked.
Damn it, you put enough.
What are we gonna do with the rest of it? Don't dump it. Don't dump it. Don't dump it.
Drink it. I'm just kidding.
See that?
That's the good stuff.
Stupid things. But now, if you want to kill some shit, record this.
Oh, it almost landed.